Hey, Tech Life Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're going to look at how to create a to-do list in Notion. So once you're on your Notion account, you have a few different options on the left-hand side here. You can use this tab at the top to create a new page, or you can scroll down and just add a new page here. So I'm going to use the top option, create a new page. And now you can create a to-do list from scratch if you want to. But if you need a little bit of help, you can use the template section just a little bit further down. So I'm going to click on templates and I'm going to use the search bar to type in what I want to do, which is create a to-do list. Then you get shown lots of different templates that you can use for free. So simple to-do list, advanced to-do list, weekly planner, all these different options, which are fantastic. So I'm just going to click on one, this weekly to-do list, and I'm going to click add. So then it will ask you, do you want to add it to your private section or Katie's space or your workspace? So I'm going to add it to my private, and then it will appear on the left-hand side where you can edit it. So from there, I'm going to click on my to-do list, and this is where you can edit it. So really simply, you can check things off as you write them in. So I can edit this easily. So that might be something like shopping, and it might be book appointment. So every time you do one of these tasks, you just tick it off, which is really, really helpful. So that's how you create a to-do list in Notion. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel. I will see you soon.